Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Today we have an epic showdown between two treadmills that will take your home workouts to the next level. On the left we have the UMAY Fitness Home Folding Treadmill, and on the right we have the VIPLAT Walking Pad Treadmill. Get ready for some serious comparisons, hilarious jokes, and of course our honest opinions. Let's dive right in. Alright, let's talk about the first category that matters to everyone, price. The UMAY Fitness Home Folding Treadmill comes in at $369, while the VIPLAT Walking Pad Treadmill is priced at $249. Now let's compare the motor power. The UMAY Fitness Treadmill boasts an improved brushless motor with a max power of 3.0 HP. It provides efficient, reliable, and low-maintenance operation. On the other hand, the VIPLAT Walking Pad Treadmill comes with a 2.5 horsepower motor. Nobody wants a treadmill that sounds like a jet engine taking off in their living room, right? Let's compare the noise levels. The UMAY Fitness Treadmill emits only 40 to 65 decibels of noise, ensuring your workouts won't disturb your downstairs or next-door neighbors. And the VIPLAT Walking Pad Treadmill operates at less than 45 decibels. Time to talk about that extra challenge during your workouts, incline options. The UMAY Fitness Treadmill offers 3 different manual incline positions, allowing you to simulate running uphill and giving those leg muscles a burn. Now let's see what the VIPLAT Walking Pad Treadmill has to offer. Last but not least, let's compare the portability of these treadmills. The UMAY Fitness Treadmill features a hydraulic system that guarantees safe and hands-free unfolding. Plus, it has built-in transportation wheels for effortless movement and storage. Now let's see what the VIPLAT Walking Pad Treadmill brings to the table. While both treadmills have their strengths, it's clear that the UMAY Fitness Treadmill takes the crown with its powerful motor, quiet operation, and extra features like incline options. But hey, if you're on a budget and need something compact, the VIPLAT Walking Pad Treadmill is a solid choice. And that's a wrap, folks. Today we compared the UMAY Fitness Home Folding Treadmill and the VIPLAT Walking Pad Treadmill. Remember, folks, always consider your needs and budget before making a purchase. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button to stay tuned for more epic comparisons. Stay smart and buy smart. See you next time.